Welcome to the latest update program. The news of the moment is Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism Day. On August 21, International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism is observed every year. This day aims to raise awareness and empathy for victims of terrorism and uphold their individual rights. This is the fourth annual International Day, which emphasizes the need for connection, solidarity, and continued vigilance against the ever-shifting terrorist threat. The UN General Assembly marked 21st August as the International Day in its Resolution 72/165 in 2017 to honor and support the victims and survivors of such acts across the world. Currently, terrorism is the biggest threat to our civilization, and it has spread its presence in almost every part of the world. Dear viewer, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.